Hey guys, it's me, Soso. First of all, I would like to apologize for not posting a video yesterday due to technical difficulties. So here I am, ready to give you guys a video continuing what I've been doing. I'm going to be doing the male version of the Tanjui. Let's go see what I made. The Tanjui live in Tuliara, which is southern Madagascar. The area is hot, so they wear less clothing. With lamba. Their lamba is usually brown with stripes. In my drawing though, I didn't add brown because the skin tone and the shorts and everything was already brown. So I decided to make it white. Their dancing, even the women, tends to involve a lot of movement. I'm not sure whether this is due to the fact that the ground is hot or they're subconsciously thinking about snakes. Either way, their dancing is very lively. They wield spears because there are a lot of snakes, as I said before, and wild animal in their region. The males also wear special hats with a pointy top that kind of remind me of an elf hat.
Itale, Timusare.
bit of drawing, I finally made this. I really enjoyed making this because I feel like it's super energetic and has a nice sort of feeling to it. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Veluma!